In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to transfer files from a phone to a computer and vice versa wirelessly. Subscribe if this helps you. The first step will be downloading the Wi-Fi FTP server app in Play Store. The second step is going to this PC in your computer, and then you'll find the home of drives where you can find the drive C and the drive D. The third step will be right-clicking on that space and add a new network location. Click next, next, and then go back to your app and open it. Allow it to access and manage all your files. Tick that. Before clicking the start button, the phone and the PC should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Click the start button. After clicking the button, you will see the section where the server URL is displayed. You need to note down the numbers starting with the FTP, and then as it is, you need to write it on that add network location as it is. After finishing, click the next button and then log on anonymously, and then next, then finish. It will take you to a new folder or a new window where it will display all the folders in that phone. And now I'll show you how to transfer the files. You simply need to copy the files. Right now I'm copying the files from a phone to a computer. Like this image, I'll copy it to my drive D. You can see it's a picture. And now I'll show you how to transfer files from a computer to the phone. I'll copy this PDF or this book and then go to my network location, click on it, and I'll go to the documents and paste it. Let me go back to my phone files and check if the file has arrived. You can see the leader who had no title.pdf has arrived right now. You should note that as you do all this, remember that the speed of the file transfer will depend on the Wi-Fi or hotspot strength, and the limitation is that you can only transfer files on the computer screen only. The phone doesn't have the ability to do the same. Subscribe for more productivity tips.